Did you know that one of the most terrifying assassinations in history happened with a simple umbrella? London, 1978. Bulgarian writer Georgy Markov was crossing Waterloo Bridge when he felt a sharp sting in his thigh. He turned around. A man was picking up an umbrella, apologizing in a foreign accent. Then the stranger vanished into a taxi. Within hours, Markov developed a burning fever. 3 days later, he was dead. Doctors found something horrifying in his leg. A tiny metal sphere, smaller than a pinhead. Inside was ricin, one of the deadliest poisons on Earth. The umbrella wasn't just an umbrella, it was a weapon straight out of spy fiction. A gun that fired poison pellets through its tip. The Bulgarian secret police had orchestrated the perfect murder, with help from the KGB. No witnesses, no evidence. Just a man with an umbrella who said sorry. The killer disappeared forever. The umbrella gun became the most infamous murder weapon of the Cold War. A reminder that death could come from anywhere, even a gentleman's apology.